good evening, and welcome to Lingastar. My name is Teacher Gail. What is your name? Oh, nice name, Austin. Nice to meet you. Okay, are you ready for a lesson? Alright, so now listen to me and eyes on me, okay? Alright, so now, Austin, our topic for tonight is, can all birds fly? Can you say it again? Say, can all birds fly? Alright, very good. So here is your great job. Okay, so now let's go to the next slide. Okay. So what can you see in the picture? Oh wow, very good. You can see many animals. Okay, so what's the name of this animal? Okay, so it's a monkey. Very good. How about this one? Okay, it's a tiger. So the tiger says, "Roar." All right. Now, how about this big animal? What is that? Oh, it's an elephant. All right. Now, let's go to the next animal. How about this one? What is that? Okay, it's a giraffe with a long neck. Okay, so now let's continue. How about this one? What animal is that? Hmm? What's the sound? It's meow, meow. It's a cat. Very good. Because you are so smart, Austin. I will give you this one rainbow for your great effort. Good job. And now let's go to the next one. Okay, so it's a dog. Very good. And how about the last one? What is it? It's a bird. Okay, Austin. What animals do you like? Okay. Okay, you like? Do you like? What is it? Okay, you like cats. Wow, we are the same, Austin. I really love cats. Okay, so good job. The cat says meow, meow. Okay, so now let's continue to the next page. Let's go. Oh, look and say, what bird is it? Oh, hmm. That's not a parrot. Okay, so it's a magpie. Good job, Austin. So now let's read. Say a magpie. Again, what bird is it? It's a magpie. Alright, so again, what bird is this? Okay, very good, Austin. You're so smart. So here is your amazing. Okay, so now let's continue to the next page. Okay, now what is in the picture? Okay, it's a magpie. Okay, so you can say this is a magpie. Again, okay, let's read again. This is a magpie. Very good, Austin. You're a great reader. So here is your very good. All right, so now let's continue to the next slide. Oh, how many magpies are there? Very good. There were two magpies. Can you say two magpies? All right, very good, Austin. Now let's continue to the next one. Okay, so how many magpies are there? Okay, now let's count the magpies. Okay, are you ready? Let's count. One, two, three, four. There are four magpies. Okay, now can you say magpies are birds? Okay, now it's your turn, Austin. Say magpies are birds. Very good. You're so smart, Austin. Now let's continue to the next page. Okay? Now, click and find all the magpies. Can you see the magpies? Alright, so now click and encircle the magpies. Go, Austin, you can do it. Okay, so there you go. Oh, it's a magpie. Very good. Another magpie and another magpie. Oh, there you go. All right. Very good. So, how many magpies are there? Let's count. One, two, three, four, and five. There are five magpies. All right, now let's continue to the next page. Okay, so now you are going to say and answer. Okay, so magpies are birds. Can you say it again? Say, magpie are birds. Alright, very good. Magpies can fly. Okay, so are magpies birds? Yes. Do magpies fly? Yeah, very good, Austin. You're so smart. So here is the nice work. Okay, good job, Austin. Now let's continue to the next one. Okay, so what bird is it? Okay, it's a penguin. Okay, can you say it again? Say penguin. Good job, Austin. Now let's continue to the next slide. Okay, so what is in the picture? What is this? Alright, so this is a penguin. Can you say it again? This is a penguin. Good job. Again, what is this? Very good. So this is a penguin. Good job. Now let's continue to the next slide. So how many penguins are there in the picture? Okay, so there are two penguins. All right, Austin. Now let's say two penguins. Okay, can you say it again? Say two penguins. Okay, very good, Austin. Now let's continue to the next one. Okay, so penguins are birds. Okay, so penguins is a kind of bird. Okay, can you say it again? Say penguins are birds. Okay, very good. Awesome. Can you say it again? Louder, please. Okay, very good. You're so smart and a good reader. Okay, keep it up. Alright, now let's continue to the next page. Toot, toot, toot. Okay, so you are going to drag and say. Okay, so the wings of a penguin is missing. Okay, so how do we complete the penguin? Okay, so you are going to find the correct penguin's wing. Okay, are you ready? Alright, now let's go. Okay, so which one is the correct wing of the penguin? Ah, mm, the first one? Okay. Now, can you feed it? Okay, drag it. Is it the correct answer? Okay, you can find another answer. Come on, Austin, don't be shy. You can do it. I know you know the answer, right? Okay, so which one? Alright, the third one. Okay, kindly drag and put it on the penguin wing so that the penguin will be complete. Okay, very good. So the third one is the correct answer. Good job, Austin. You are so smart. So here is your excellent award. Good job, Austin. You got a lot of rewards now. All right, so now let's continue. Okay, so which one is correct? Penguins are birds. Okay, so penguins are birds. Okay, so it's correct. Penguins cannot fly. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. So penguins are birds, but they cannot fly. They just walk. Alright, very good, Austin. You are so smart. Good job. Keep it up, okay? So now let's continue to the next page. Okay, again. Are penguins birds? Okay, so penguins are birds. Do penguins fly? No, they cannot fly. Okay, good job, Austin. Now let's continue. Okay, so let's have a wrap up. So these are the words and sentences that you learned tonight. Okay, so say birds, magpies can fly. Okay, very good. Next, penguins cannot fly. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, so now please answer questions and complete the sentence. Okay, very good. You are correct. So here is your superstar. Good job, Austin. Now you get a lot of rewards from teacher. You're so smart. All right, now let's continue. Okay, so now we're going to click and answer, okay? So now, can penguins fly? Alright, yeah. Okay, very good. So penguins cannot fly. Okay. Alright, now let's continue. Are magpies birds? Again? Yes, very good. You are correct. Okay, so magpies are birds. Okay, now let's continue. So, these are the words, the sentences that you learn. Okay, so keep it on your mind because the next lesson is related to this. Okay? All right, now let's read. Say birds. Magpies can fly. Penguins cannot fly. Alright. Okay, so do you know any birds that cannot fly? Okay, so that will be your homework, okay? So the next time that we will have a lesson, you will answer that. Okay, so that's all for tonight, Austin. Thank you for booking Teacher Gail. And see you again next time. Bye bye. Let's sing the goodbye song. Bye bye. Goodbye. Bye 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 bye. Goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stomp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye, Austin. See you again next